Finding your Afterpay card number is a simple process. Follow these steps carefully to locate it, access Afterpay platform, open the Afterpay website, or launch the Afterpay mobile app on your device. Log and sign into your Afterpay account using your credentials. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. You can typically find this option in the menu or profile settings. Locate card section, scroll down until you find the card section within the account settings. Find Afterpay card number in the card section. Locate your Afterpay card number. It will be displayed along with other relevant card details. Note down your Afterpay card number for future reference. This step ensures you have easy access to the card number whenever needed. Benefits of easy access: having quick access to your Afterpay card number offers several benefits. It simplifies the process of making online or in-store purchases and managing financial transactions. Convenience: easily locating your Afterpay card number saves you time and effort, enhancing convenience in your financial transactions. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly find your Afterpay card number and enjoy the convenience it offers for your purchases and financial management.